Hello children, welcome to maths class. Let us learn in this video exercise 3.4 word problem on linear equation. The question is here, solve the question by elimination method. So first we will convert. In previous videos also you have learned how to convert the statement into equation form and then solve, but they were solved by substitution method. Here we are going to start by elimination method solving, but before that converting this statement into equation is matter. And also I would like to ask you that if you are new at the channel, please subscribe, so that you will be able to getting all the new videos, and then you will be learning it. And if you are already at the channel, please subscribe it among your friends also, share it among your friends. Let us start. The question is here, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, that means 2 are unknown to us, numerator and denominator. A fraction reduces to 1. It becomes 1 by 2 if only we add 1 to the denominator. So these are the conditions here. The question is, what is the fraction then? In fraction, numerator and denominator both are unknown to us. We start with the unknown term. Let the numerator be x and the denominator be y. These two are unknown. Denominator be x y. Then fraction will be, therefore the required fraction will be x by y. We know numerator by denominator is the fraction, so required fraction is here x by y. And then we will read the statement once again, and then let's see. First condition, there will be two conditions, because in linear equation in two variable we have always two conditions, and that two conditions only give us two different equations, and then we solve it. So first condition is, if we add 1 to the numerator. So what questions is exactly we will have to do that with that fraction. X by y is the fraction. If we add 1 to the numerator, so automatically we will add here. Just reading the condition, it comes to our mind, adding 1 to the numerator. And then also another is what? Subtract 1 from the denominator. So we will subtract. It is nowhere difficult to understand. Add 1 to the numerator, subtract 1 from the denominator, and the fraction reduces to 1. Surely if we do some adding or subtracting work with numerator and denominator, it will change. It will not remain same what it was before. So that question is telling, whatever the fraction was, it will become 1 or 1 by 1. After all, it is 1 only. We will simplify this and get one equation. How? We will do cross multiplication. You all will be aware of it. X into 1 we get x, 1 into 1 we get plus 1, then y into 1 y, minus 1 into 1 minus 1. So what we get here? We get x plus 1 equal to y minus 1. Arranging it, for arranging, what we will do? X is in LHS, y we will bring in LHS. From RHS it is positive, it is y, it will come in LHS, it will become minus, and then RHS it has number here minus 1 first, and then this plus 1 also will go in RHS, become minus 1. So what we get here? X minus y is equal to minus 2. This is equation 1. Then first condition we converted into equation form. Now second condition also says something. After the first condition, what it is? It becomes 1 by 2. What becomes? That fraction become 1 by 2 if only we add 1 to the denominator. So second condition is telling it will become 1 by 2 when we add 1 to the denominator. So from second condition of the question, the fraction x by y, if we only add 1 to the denominator, so we are adding already y plus 1. X there is nothing to do, numerator second condition does not say anything to do. So numerator remains x, and then after doing this, adding 1 to the denominator, the fraction will become 1 by 2. So here also we will do simplification work. 2 into x by cross multiplication, 2x, y into 1 we will get y plus 1, y will bring in LHS, 2x minus y is equal to 1 remain in RHS, it is plus only. Here we get equation 2. Now we have to solve by elimination method. So elimination method what says? Elimination by equating the coefficient, and when we see these two equation, minus y, that means this y variable has equal coefficient, minus 1, there also minus 1. To make them 0, how we will do? So you will be knowing, if the terms which have equal coefficient, we will make them 0, we need to notice their sign. Sign, if they have same, we will go for subtracting them, and if they have opposite sign, one is, I am talking about that term which have equal coefficient. So if the sign is same, we will go for subtracting, and if the sign is different, one is positive, another one is negative, plus minus, then we will solve by adding. So in this question, how we will make the coefficient 0, in this term 0? By subtracting. So subtracting equation 1 from 2 or 2 from 1, any one we can do. Subtracting equation 2 from 1, from equation 1. Since from equation 1 we are subtracting, so LHS in both the side, first equation part we have to write. So x minus y minus, then second equation 2x minus y. We need to put this bracket here. If we don't use bracket direct, then we will have to change the sign. So better we should go with bracket. Next step we will change the sign. Is equal to 1. From equation 1 we are subtracting. So equation 1 it has minus 2, and then minus second equation RHS is 1. We get x minus y. Now we will remove bracket, 2x minus, it will become minus minus plus y is equal to minus 3. Plus y minus y cancel, it will become, it became 0. Then x minus 2x minus x is equal to minus 3. This minus also gone. We get x is equal to 3. That means numerator of the fraction is 3 we have got. And then put this value in any equation 1 or 2, we will get another variable y, what is denominator. Putting the value of x in equation, it is our wish. So suppose in equation 1 we are going to use this value. So x minus y, that means x minus 3 is equal to minus 1. RHS in it is equal to minus 2. So we get here x is equal to minus 2 plus 3. We get x is equal to 1. So x is 1. No, it value we have to put, 1 minute. X we have got, so x value we have to put 3 minus y is equal to minus 2, and then minus y will remain in LHS, minus 2 minus 3. We get here minus y is equal to minus 5. Minus cancel, we get here y is equal to 5. So denominator is 5, numerator is 3, therefore the required fraction is, is equal to numerator 3 by 5. So this way we complete the solution. I hope you have understood. First read the question carefully, and then what things are unknown we go for that, x, y, these two are unknown, and then what question is telling us to do, a statement is telling us, that we do and go for simplifying, and after getting both the equation we go for subtracting or adding, as I have told you already, and we get the required things what are there to find. Let us see in new video under the solutions.